Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the header, double-click it, or use Insert Header so you can edit. Once visible, insert a section break, next page, at the point where the repeated header must end. Make sure you also consider different first page if the first page needs a unique header versus the rest. This creates separate header regions. You can now target only the section you want to change. Do this now before unlinking or editing, because sectioning is the foundation for stopping repetition. Once the new section exists, you must unlink its header from the prior one. Click Header and Footer tools linked to previous to turn it off. Now edit the header in the new section, delete or replace content, because changes will stay confined there. If you have multiple sections, repeat unlinking and edits for each, ensuring consistency where needed. Remember, unlinking breaks inheritance, which is why headers stop repeating. Save periodically, so you can revert if a change affects other sections. Finish by reviewing the document in print layout, scrolling through sections to confirm headers differ as intended. If something still repeats, make sure every boundary uses a proper section break, not just a page break. Then verify link to previous is off for each affected header. Use show/hide paragraph marks to reveal invisible breaks and correct placement. If problems persist, copy the section content to a new file with fresh section breaks. That often isolates stubborn formatting glitches and restores control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.